Okay, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. O anong oras nyo napanood ang video ito, welcome sa ating channel. Matuto dapat sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. Sa oras na ito, pag-aralan natin ay fractals for group data. So again, fractals will help you find the other value in different locations in the distributions. And the quartile Q dividing the distribution into 4 equal parts or equivalent to 25% per location. Decile dividing the distribution into 10 equal parts or equivalent to 10% per location. Percentile P dividing the distribution into 100 equal parts or equivalent to 1% per location. Quartile for group data, this is the formula. So you have Q sub K is equal to LCB of the Q sub K plus Kn over 4 minus less than CFB divided by F of Q sub K times H. So ang ating pong F of Q sub K is the frequency of quartile class. Ang LCB Q sub K ay lower class boundaries of quartile class. Less than CFB, less than cumulative frequency below the quartile class. H is the width of the class interval. So for decile, for group data, so you have D sub K is equal to LCB of the decile class plus the quantity Kn divided by 10 minus less than CFB divided by frequency of the decile class times H, no? So yan po yung mga description natin. Next, we have the percentile for group data. P sub k is equal to the lower class boundary of the percentile class plus the quantity Kn divided 100 minus less than CFB, okay, divided by the frequency of the percentile class times the width. Okay. Example 1. The table below shown the data from the scores in mathematics quiz last month. Determine the third quartile, second decile, and 85th percentile of the score based on the given data. So, that is the scores and the frequency. Ang sunod natin gagawin is to determine the LCB o the lower class boundary. So, ang gagawin po natin, lower limit minus 0.5. So, ang lower limit natin ay, and ito yung lower limit natin, and this is the higher limit. So, 10 minus 0.5, that is 9.5. Next, 20 minus 0.5, that is 19.5. Next, 30 minus 0.5, that is 29.5. Then, 39.5, 49.5, 59.5, kaysa 70, 69.5, 80, 80 minus 0.5, that is 79.5. Less than CF, start po tayo ng counting from the lower class boundary, lower class interval. So, we have 10 plus 11, so 21, plus 9, 30, plus 22, 52, plus 14, 66, plus 15, 81, plus 21, 102, plus 18, 120. So, 120 total. Ang total dito ay dapat o parehas sila ng value. Okay? So, sunod natin tatargetin is we have to find the location of the Q3 o the third quartile. So, 3n, ito, 3n over 4. So, 3n, 3 times 120 divided 4, and that is 90. 90 yet, ibig sabihin that is just the position. Okay? So, pang 90. Alright, so, paano natin makita? Gaya ng pagkuha natin ng median using the less than CF. Okay? So, 90 na siya. So, ito ay 81. So, dapat pag more than 81, next number na. So, ibig sabihin, belong sa dito sa 102. Okay? So, that is now our Q3. Okay. So, we have to find the value. The lower class boundary ng Q3 ay 69.5. Ang less than CFB, yung below ng less than CF niya ay 81. So, ito. Okay, hindi tong 120 kasi mataas na to, ha. Ang kanyang FQ3, the quartile class, okay, the frequency of the quartile is 21. And then, ang H natin, 40 minus 30 is 10. So, sa gilid po natin nakikita. So, lahat po yan, pag ma-minus po natin, 10 po ang difference. Okay? Any number. So, wala namang problema. Basta, yung alam natin that the width of this is 20. And then, substitute to the formula, ang LCB, the quartile class, is 69.5 plus 3n over 4 is 90 minus less than CFB is 81 divided by ang F natin ay 21 times 10. So, 90 minus 81 ay 9. 9 times 10 is 90. Divide 21. So, that is 4.29. Okay? So, 69.5 plus 4.29 is 73.79. This is the third quartile or the 75% of the distribution. Okay? Next, the secant decile. So again, we have to solve first, or we have to locate the position of the secant decile. So that is 2n over 10 or 2 times 120. Kasi 120 to, so 2 times 120 divided 10. That is 24. So yung pang 24 ang ating hanapin. Okay? So using the 24, dito natin makita. So 21, so ibig sabihin, next number na tayo kasi 21 hanggang 21 lang to. So, 24 nandito siya sa 30. Okay? So, the lower class boundary ay 29.5. Then, the less than CF below is 21. Ayan. The frequency of the decile class or D2 is 9. Okay, ito. And then, the H is 10. So, again, 10 pa rin, no? Okay? Yung difference, the number here. Substitute to the formula. So, you have 29.5 plus 24 minus 21. So, ito ay 24. Tapos, minus 21 divided by 9 times 10. 24 minus 21 is 3. So, that is 30 divided 9. Okay, and that is 3.33. Okay. So, 29.5 plus 3.33 ay 32.83. That is the secant decile or 20% of the distribution. 85 percentile. So, 85n, yung paghanap natin, unahin natin yung dito. So, 85n times 100, so that is 85 times 120 divide 100, and that is 102 o pang 100 secant. Okay? So, para mahanap natin si 102, ayan, si 102, sakto. Okay, nasa 102. So, ang lower class boundary niya ay 69.5. Ang kanyang less than safe below 81 is below is 81. Okay, tapos ang ating frequency ay 21. Okay? Tapos ang ating H ay 10. Okay, so 85n divide 100 is 102 minus 81. Times divide 21 times 10, so that is 210 kasi 102 minus 81 is 21 times 10 is 210. 210 divide 21 is 10. So that is 69.5 plus 10. So the 85 percentile or 85% of the distribution is 79.5. Pasok pa rin siya dito kasi ang upper class boundary natin ay 79.5. Okay? Ayan. So, yan po yung ating 85 percentile. Example 2, the table below shown the data from the weight of children aged 7 to 12 in kilogram. Determine the first quartile, 8th decile, and 40th percentile of the weight based on the given data. So, you have now the weight in interval and then the frequency. So, there are 100 children here. So, to find the LCB, magma-minus 0.5 tayo dito sa lower limit. So, that is 19.5, okay, next 24.5, 29.5, 34.5, 39.5, okay, 44, 0.5. So again mag-minus lang tayo ng 0.5 dito sa gilid. So that is 49.5. Tapos dito sa 55, and that is 54.5. Less than sa F, starting again sa lower interval. So ang ating pinaka-frequency una ay 10 plus 7. So you have 17 plus 9, 26 plus 20, 46 plus 10, 56 plus 22, 78 plus 14, 92 plus 8, 100. So, ibig sabihin, dapat 100 parehas to. Okay, we are to solve first the first quartile. So, n over 4 o 100 divided 4 is 25. So, ang ating pang 25 nandito sa 26 natin. So, hindi na po sa 17 kasi next number na tayo, 25. So, 26. So, ang ating lower class boundary ay 29.5. Ang ating less than CFB ay 17. Yan. Ang ating frequency Q1 ay 9. Ang ating H ay 5. So, the difference between 40 and 35. Okay. Lahat ng number na to, yung difference nila ay 5. Substitute to the given o the formula. So, Q sub 1 equals 29.5 plus 25 minus 17. So, take note hindi tayo mag-indicative talaga dito sa ating numerator. So, 25 minus 17 times 5 divide 9. Okay, next. So, 25 minus 17 is 8 times 5 is 40. 40 divide 9. That is 4.44. Okay, so 29.5 plus 4 times 4.44, and that is 33.94 kilogram. So the first quartile is, or 25% of the distribution is 33.94 kilogram. 8 decile. So again, so kinuha natin yung ating LCB and less than CF. 8n divide 10 equals 8 times 100 divide 10, and that is 80. So, ayan pag 80 natin. 80 ay nandito na siya sa 92. Kasi, sobra na siya ng 78. So, sa 92 na tayo. Less than, ang atin pong LCB ay 49.5. Ang ating less than CFB ay 78. Ang ating frequency ay 14. Ang ating H ay 5 again. So, substitute of the formula, D8 equals 49.5 plus 80 minus 78 divide 14 times 5. And 80 minus 78 ay 2 times 5 is 10. 10 divide 14. So, that is 0.71 plus 49.5, and that is equal to, ang D8 natin ay 50.21 kilogram. The 8 decile, or 80% of the distribution is 50.21 kilogram. Again, then the last, again, is the 48th percentile. Okay, we have to solve again the lower class boundary and less than CF. So, 40 times N. 40 times 100 divide 100. So, that is 40. Pag 40, so, ang ating 40 percentile andin dito sa 46. Okay? 46 siya. So, lampas na siya ng 26. So, next number 46. Okay, ang ating LCB ay 34.5. Okay, ito. Ang less than CF natin ay 26. Ang ating frequency ng 40 percentile ay 20. Tapos ang H ay 5. And then substitute the value to the formula. So you have the P40 equals 34.5 plus 40 minus 26 times 5 divide 20. 40 minus 26 ay 14 times 5, 70. 70 divide 20 ay 3.50. So, 34.5 plus 3.50, that is 38 kilograms. So, the 48th percentile or 40% of the distribution is 38 kilograms. Alright? So, I hope you learned from the video lesson, and this is your activity to answer. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel and this video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. God bless.